Now we'll discuss about the further topic of histology, or after the epithelia one more layer is connective tissue. So this dermis part is made of the connective tissue, and its fibers we already learned there are the collagen fibers and elastic fiber. The collagen fibers are situated and particularly makes the one pattern is known as cleavage line. This cleavage line is important for surgeons. During the operations, they make the incisions along with the longitudinal or parallel to the collagen fiber. That's why its minimum scar will be there. It is cosmetic purpose. So these lines are horizontally present in trunk and they are longitudinally present in limb. That's why at the time of operation, surgeon will decide for the minimum scar or gap. That's why its surgically importance is cleavage lines. And sometimes what happens, there is stretching of the skins, particularly in the case of the abdomen, and this stretching is disturbs or tear the collagen fibers, and then there is the permanent white color line is seen, is known as linea alba, or sometimes it's known as gravidarum, because it's particularly present during the pregnant woman. So this is dermis part. It is connective tissue. This epidermis and dermis, again we can see it's not straight, but they are interconnected with elevations, depressions, elevations, depressions. They are named respectively the dermis. The elevations of dermis is known as dermal papilla. In this dermal papilla, generally the free nerve endings, Merkel's, and another few specific type of neurons are situated. They are dermal papilla. And epidermis is having a depressions in between the two dermal papilla. It is epidermal papilla. So this both type of surfaces are interconnected, and in this type of arrangement, dermal papilla, and it's responsible for fingerprinting, and they are very thick and prominent in case of the thick skin, particularly the palm and pulp of the fingerprint. That's why finger beds, and they are used for the biometric processes and so many medical legal examinations. And there are the particular study of this fingerprinting or the different type of the lobes, walls, patterns, everything. It's also helpful in genetics as well as the another places is known as dermatoglyphics. So these are the dermis. Muscles, the smooth muscles, developmental it is ectodermal in variety. They are known as erector pylori muscles. Main functions of these muscles is contraction of these muscles is contract and secretes the sebums. So this is whole unit is known as pilosebaceous unit. This unit is very helpful for moisturizations of skin, and this is characteristic between the thick and thin skin. This unit is present only and only in the thin skin. It's absent in thick skin. Due to the presence of these muscles, hair direction is always oblique. And part seen outside is known as shaft, and part deep to this is known as hair follicles. So this hair follicles is the invaginations of epidermis, and then outer part or outer layers is made of the deeper layers of epidermis, and inner part is dead is the main shaft, and most deeper part where there is the neurons and another blood vessels are present is known as hair papilla. It is living part. From here the hair growth is continuous, and in this way the growth of hair is going on, and outside part is known as shaft. And contraction of these muscles is helpful to straight or standing of the hair. This condition is seen in the very severe winter season that we can feel. Also some types of the neuronal activities. Now nerve tissue. First tissue is nerve tissue. So in the dermal papilla and dermis there are the different type of nerve endings are present, namely free nerve endings, Merkel cells, penicillians, corpuscle, raffinis, corpuscle. Details about all these type of corpuscle you will be learn in the physiology. Here just as a part of the nervous tissue as component of the histological component of this tissue I mentioned here. So this is nerve tissue. In this way all the four tissues are present in the skin, both in thin and thin skin. Appendix of skin. Structures connected with the skin. Apart from the skin proper, few structures like hair follicles, nails and glands. So hair follicles we already discussed, they are the part of hair along with the sebaceous glands. Glands, sweat glands, and this one is sebaceous gland. Both type of the glands are present here. Sweat glands are present in both, but sebaceous is present only in the skin having a